Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to export WhatsApp chat to Gmail. So open the conversation which you want to export and tap on this three dot icon to the right corner. Tap on more, export chat and select export with include media or without include media. So I'm gonna selecting here without media. And here you have to select Gmail. Enter here the recipient Gmail address you want to send the file and tap on send. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.